Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tips and tricks for all things tech. Today, we're going to show you how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook in 2023. That's right, no more boring classes, get ready to bring the fun into your learning. Segment 1, Understanding the Restrictions. First things first, it's important to understand why you can't play Roblox on your school Chromebook straight out of the box. Schools often impose restrictions on their Chromebooks to maintain a safe and productive learning environment. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Segment 2, How to install Roblox. In order to play Roblox on your school Chromebook, you'll need to install it using a browser extension called the ARC Welder. This tool will allow you to run Android apps on your Chromebook. Here's how you can install it. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for ARC Welder. Install the app on your Chromebook. Download the Roblox APK file. Open ARC Welder and select the Roblox APK file you just downloaded. Launch Roblox and start playing. Segment 3, Playing Roblox on School Chromebook. Now that you've got Roblox installed, it's time to start playing. Get ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities and endless fun. You can play with friends, explore new games, and let your imagination run wild. Just remember, don't let the fun interfere with your learning. Outro. That's it for today guys. We hope you found this video helpful and can now play Roblox on your school Chromebook. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech content.